Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. The link is in the bio. I do have some gifts for you. Your word of the day is faith. Faith without works are dead. Leo, it's time to get back to work. It's time to build your foundations for your gifts. You've been through a lot, but that time that you survived gave you wisdom. Therefore, you do things differently. You'll work even harder, more diligently. You'll be more, there's so many things that you will actually do differently and stronger and better this time around. So it's time to get back to work. I'm confident I will achieve my goals. I live in the present and I have faith in the future. I firmly believe in my value in the universe is priceless and I am back into control. All the lessons that you learn, remember those tactics. As you go back at it, working again and creating and leading your people once again, at least you have more in your arsenal. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.